Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's video, specifically because it is one that I've really been kind of racking my brain on how I was going to recreate this. I really wanted to make Riley her own crib mobile, and the ones I saw on Pinterest, they were running about $200 or so, and that just does not fall into my budget. So I really challenged myself as to how I was able to recreate this on a budget, and I really wanted to share with you guys how I was able to do so. Also, if you guys missed my what's in my diaper bag video where I show you guys what I pack in Riley's diaper bag specifically for the winter months, I am doing a giveaway where there will be 2 winners, and it ends at the end of January. So if you guys missed that, definitely make sure you go check that out. I will leave it down in the description bar below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's jump right into the video. Taking a star silhouette and a piece of felt that I folded over once, I began to cut around the star to create all of the mobile shapes. To make it easier, you can pin the silhouette onto the felt so that it doesn't move around as much. Once I had the star cut out, I used a hot glue gun to seal the edges. I only did 1 to 2 sides at a time. Then taking some batting, I added in a little at a time. I found that twisting it made it a lot easier to work with. So all I did was twist, stuff, and sealed the edges and worked my way around the star. I decided to make about 8 stars in 4 different colors and 6 clouds. You can really go with whatever you like, but this was the look I was going for. Once I got to the last side, I stuffed the star as much as I could and sealed it. Don't worry if there's extra glue on the edges because we are going to cut the excess off at the end. I did the same exact thing for all of the clouds as well. Then taking 2 dowels and some wood glue, I crossed them over in the middle to create the top of the mobile where all the shapes would hang from. Off camera, I ended up placing a screw to secure the middle, as well as making 2 holes on each end to make attaching the shapes easier. I decided to paint the dowels white, and once it dried, I began to attach all the shapes. Using clear thread and a needle, I started sewing into one of the stars a couple of times to make sure it is secure. And then I inserted the needle and thread through one of the holes on the dowel and determined how long I wanted it to hang. I went through the hole a few times and then tied it at the end. To attach 2 shapes onto the same string, I did the same exact thing I did the first time, but then I inserted the needle through the star and then sewed through the top to secure it. and then sewing through the cloud the same way I did the bottom of the star. Again, I inserted the needle through the cloud and then sewed through the top to secure it, and then I inserted the needle through the hole in the dowel. Play around with the different lengths and the placement of the clouds and colored stars. I love how everything came out. I hope this video inspired you and gave you some nursery decor ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!